Where is ICCT going next in the next few following days, weeks, and months? Should you buy, sell, or maybe wait on it? Okay, in this video, I'm going to cover everything regarding technical analysis, price predictions, forecasts, outlooks, all into below 2 minutes time. Okay, so Icoreconnect INC. I'm going to use this strategy that has previously gotten me 300 wins in the last 7 months, actually making me profitable and stuff. So I'm sharing it with you for absolutely free, right? Everything that I learn and share in this YouTube channel have a goal to make $100,000 per month. So yeah, with ICCT today we're 719% up. This is insane amount, right? I don't really like this stock mainly because we don't have that much data. I mean, we have from 2019, but there is not volume in it whatsoever until then, right? If you just until today, because we just see right here how much volume do we have right now. A good amount of 10 million, right? The normal days are around like 912,000, but right now like 10 million, which is crazy, crazy, crazy amount. But yeah, the price is down up that much. It went as high as what? Um, it went as high as 2000. It was $4.70, so 2,300% up, bam, like that in a day, which is again crazy amount. But yeah, I would, for me to this to be a bullish trend on the high time frame, I would definitely just stay following my strategy, and that's going to be a break above this high, which we still haven't gotten. And this is on the monthly chart, actually. It's just crazy, right? But yeah, we're going to wait for to see what that's going to happen. I'm going to keep following my strategy and system. My rules are not being met, so I'm kind of going to stay away from it. And yeah, I would definitely advise. Again, this is just obviously I'm never going to tell you whether to buy or sell. I'm just giving you my perspective and opinion. But yeah, stay away from these kinds of plays and follow a strategy. That being said, if you found any value, check out the first link in the description. It is 100% free course to learn to use my strategy.